lot of guys buy them online. They'll buy our external breather kits, but I'll explain to you what it does. Our Assault air cleaner that we've been selling for years. It's a real popular air cleaner. It looks cool. It's patented. It's designed to run the breathers into the intake, so it's internally vented, right? So a lot of guys want to run, they don't want to run that oily, misty air back into the motor because it puts deposits on the pistons. You're just breathing in, you're just letting your motor breathe in dirty, ugly, misty oil. Some guys want to run it externally. If you want to run it externally, you can run an M8 kit. You can buy it direct from us, or you can buy the twin cam kit direct from us. You get it from Drag Specialties dealer, or you can get it from traskperformance.com. I recommend, if you do run these, run into a catch can so they can't grizzle this. But it is a way to get that oily mist out of the air cleaner, run it externally.